Are you still switching between Google Calendar and Excel to track your meetings? Let's make it easier. As your schedule grows, managing multiple events across different calendars becomes harder to track. Exporting your Google Calendar to Excel lets you see all your meetings in one place. Here's how you can export Google Calendar to Excel. Step 1. Go to Google Calendar on your desktop. Step 2. On the left side, find the My Calendar section and expand it. Step 3. Hover over the calendar you want to export and click the three-dot icon, then Settings and Sharing. Step 4. Scroll down and click Export Calendar. A zip file will download and extract the .ics file inside. Step 5. Open Excel and go to File, then Open. Select all files and browse to open the .ics file. Step 6. Choose the Delimited option and click Next. Step 7. Select the tab delimiter and click Finish. Your Google Calendar data is now in Excel format. This method saves time, reduces tab switching, improves collaboration, and keeps your schedule organized offline. This approach reflects what Exponential Foresight stands for. It's a no-code automation platform that helps you automate repetitive Google Workspace tasks using simple rules and templates without writing scripts. Do less manual work. Achieve more productivity. Start small with automation and scale your efficiency with Exponential Foresight.